How to hide apps in Samsung M32. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and find the option called Home Screen and tap on it. Next, look for the option labeled Hide Apps on Home and Apps Screen and select it. You will see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, simply tap on the apps you want to hide. You can select multiple apps at once. So choose all the apps you want to keep private. After selecting the apps, tap the Done button at the bottom of the screen. These apps will now be hidden from your home screen and app drawer. If you want to access the hidden apps later, you can go back to the hidden apps menu and unselect them to make them visible again. Keep in mind that hidden apps are not deleted or uninstalled, they are just hidden from view, so you can still open them by searching or through other methods. This feature is very useful for protecting apps like messaging, social media, or banking apps from unwanted eyes without needing additional software. And that's it. Now you know how to hide apps in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.